Yeah. Once again, back here with a mini project. Now, as I told you in a previous class, that mini project is so many project you have to do using an IoT concepts where purely IoT concepts must be there with the app. You have to use a cloud also, as I told very clearly, using internet is must. And I have told you that you can come up with your own problems. So stating like that, and I've given some 4 5 days time to you with your partner, 2 members max. You must have so with your partners, I have told the option is given. No one should be left out. So this is very much important. Why? Because you will select your own persons, and then the unknown persons means somewhat like that. They will be separate. No, it shouldn't be like that. Always we are preferring 2 members in a project. No individual one will be preferred. Why? Because individual one in doing a IoT project is highly a difficult concern. Because of that particular reason, we have told you to do that. Now, for according to me, I got two projects selections by Nasma. She has told she will do home security, so it is reserved for her. Why? Because FIFO method. And another one, somebody they have sent me a message. I think who sent this message? I didn't know that. 1 minute, just I'll tell you. Uh, यार ये तो message then who is the other who has sent a message that portable device for human security? Santosh
Yes, sir.
Santosh M and Tejaswini NN. These two projects has been reserved. No duplicate projects will be allowed. Portable device for women security. Very good. Very good concept. Santosh and Tejaswini. Congratulations for you. And then Nazma, first step you have taken. Very good, ma. Nazma, with you, who is doing?
Rajesh, sir. Rajesh.
Huh? Hello?
Rajesh.
Rajesh.
Sir, it's me,
Sir,
Rajesh, sir. I'm doing with them.
ಸರಿ ಆಯ್ತು ರಾಜೇಶು ನೀವಿಬ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ
sir.
ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಅ ಮೈಲ್ from you whoever the student number 1 student number 2 USN name and what is your project title. I want a mail from you. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have given, sir.
Yeah, you have sent, but Santosh, you have not sent the mail. You have put in a WhatsApp. Don't put in a WhatsApp. Don't put in this chat, Google Meet chat things. You have to send a mail to me. Today evening, I will close that thing also. Finally, today evening, or I will try tomorrow. I will make a list of projects and the students. Any left out members are there, I will see and I will help you. Anybody want the project from my side, you can call me and you can ask me. I will give already the I will put in a WhatsApp that this one means the list, whatever is there, present list of 7 projects, 7 to 8 projects. I will put in a list. You can utilize that also. There is no anything. If apart from that, you want any help, that is, and then you have to specify which technology you are going to use. This is very much important. Whether you are using a Arduino, whether you are using a Node MCU, whether you are using a PKT board, whether you are using a Raspberry Pi, you should decide in a beginning itself. That means in your mail, I need this much. That is USN name, student number 1, student number 2. What is the project title and what technology you are going to use. Whether you are using a Raspberry Pi, whether you are using a which one, so you have to mention clearly there. For this, and again, I am telling from department side, no investments will be given to you. You have to bear that. So that I am telling very clearly. And in department, you are having some sensors. Inma?
Dwarkanath, sir.
Madam.
Sir, should they take care that their problem statement should not be repeated with their senior?
Yeah, I have
what
told,
they have
I have
done
told
already.
that the problem
But
statement
it
shouldn't be
still,
repeated. So that is very much important. Once they will give,
but
no,
how will
madam.
they know what?
Hello?
How will they know what all? Yeah, yeah. How will
Yeah.
they know what all
See,
they have done already?
yeah, that once they will give everything, I will take that into the consideration. We in a FIFO method, we will
Okay.
consider if any repeated thing is there, we'll leave that and we'll suggest them to change. And that will be
Okay,
done
sir.
in next Tuesday lab.
Okay.
Okay, madam. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Now, I think students, you are having any doubt on this?
Excuse me,
Hello?
sir. This is Rajesh.
Ah, Rajesh.
Sir, from our side, we have sent another mail regarding the change of topic, like the subject project topic. We have sent one more mail, that
Ah,
is a smart dustbin.
smart?
Dustbin.
Smart dustbin. Okay, not an thing. So,
That has been already done, no, sir?
which one,
Smart
madam?
dustbin.
Which one?
Smart dustbin has already been done.
No, no, for this batch I am telling. Madam, Sridevi madam,
No, but seniors have already done that project, no, sir, using IoT.
not up to the mark they have did. Let what they will means their
Okay.
concept or their scenario, what they are doing now, these students, they may come out with still best solution for that. It depends, no.
Okay.
That is my
Yeah, in that
intention.
case, they
See,
can
now you
specify.
can do whatever
Yeah.
your seniors has did, you can do, but we'll see what is the enhanced features you are having in that. Based on that, marks everything will be there. So very clearly, I am
And
telling
sir, one
you.
more thing.
Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, one more thing. If at all your seniors have done that similar kind of project, you have to state that in your literature survey and quote their work and
yes,
how you are adding modifications
yes,
or any new concepts or new features to your
yes,
current work. That you have to specify very, very clearly. You
yes.
can't take it as it is and present in this particular semester. You
Correct,
have
madam.
to
Correct.
take it as a benchmark and add some modifications or improvements to it.
100%. Students, are you hearing what madam is telling? It's very clear
Uh,
there. You can use
sir,
your senior projects, but you have to do some modify or your project should be somewhat different with them. And you have to acknowledge that your seniors.
excuse
Next.
me, sir.
Ah,
Actually, we don't know who senior did that project. We just chosen from this YouTube, and we're doing. We actually don't know who did that project, and we even don't know what they did.
no, I will give
So
the details to you, ma. If you come to, I will give the details of that student or report and all. Don't worry about that. Nazma, Nazma.
yes, sir.
See, the garbage management or dustbin management ideas will depend in different way. First, you
Yes,
come
sir.
up
Yes,
with
sir.
your idea. If it
Okay,
is
sir.
matching with your senior ideas, then I
Hmm.
will tell you, yes, it's matching with your senior idea. So
Okay,
you can
sir.
see that report and all. Slightly, you can change that. But if it is
Okay.
not at all matching with your senior's idea, then there is no need to tell. Why? Because
Okay.
each human being will have his own idea while implementing.
Exactly, sir.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. I will check. I will check, Nazma. Don't worry about that. When you give a synopsis
Okay,
and
sir.
introduction, everything when you will give, so
Yes,
when
sir.
we will fix the dates for that also. So when you will give that, so then
Hmm.
automatically they will come to know that whether it's repeating or not, everything and all. Later on, we'll do that. Now the first
Okay,
step
sir.
is like this. You have to decide with title. Don't worry. You decide with your title and then you decide with your technology and you give me the list, you send a mail, then otherwise we'll do one thing. The best idea I will do, I'll make a Google forum
Okay,
and I will
sir.
send you the link. Are you
Okay,
getting
sir.
everyone?
Done, sir.
ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ನೀವು ಮೇಲ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಫಾರಂ ಮಾಡೋದು ನನಗೂ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಡೂ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಲಿಸನಿಂಗ್. I will create a Google forum. I will send within evening a link to you in a WhatsApp. You please fill up the things. What will be the things there? USN name and then two students who are there. That means two USNs Two names you have to enter, and then what is the title of the project, what technology you are using. So that things I need. Are you getting? Huh?
Sir,
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
sir,
Yes, Varsha, tell me.
ಸಹದೇವ್
sir, in case repetition,
ಏನಪ್ಪ?
sir,
ಹಲೋ,
if in case repetitions ಇದ್ರೆ,
ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ನಾನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಬೇರೆ ವಿಧಾನ ಏನಿದೆ?
ಮತ್ತೆ
ಈಗ
ಇವಾಗ-
ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ if you want to collect in online, if any repeated thing is there, tomorrow I will take out all that what you have sent in a Google form. I will take out all that things. I will take a printout and I will re-verify once. So if any project is repeated project is there, I will intimate both of you where you can take a decision to change. Either one you have to change.
Dwarkanath, sir.
Madam?
Dwarkanath, sir.
Madam.
If at all there is repetition, if the project is complex enough, we can give them two parts of it to be done.
That
like
will decide,
if at all,
madam. Yeah, that will decide.
That's what. So that is one option we have. So
Yes,
they need
yes.
not be disappointed if at all there is a repetition.
Yeah.
You can divide the project between them if
Correct,
it is big
madam.
enough.
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. We can do that also. If the project what you are given is complex enough, we'll split that and we'll give. Don't worry about that, children. See, my intention is very clear. You should, while doing out the project, final your goal should be like this. You're good enough to do the IoT projects, and you must learn something from that particular project. So about an IoT and even mobile app also you will learn somewhat. So it will be very easy. Right? What else you want? Any doubts is there? You can ask me.
And sir, one small suggestion to the students. Better students, we encourage you to do projects in socio-environmental domain.
Yes.
So that you can improve the status of the society, economic status of the society, or improve the lifestyle of a person.
Yes,
or,
madam. Yeah, I told them, madam, socio-environmental and agriculture.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, those will be given high priority, and actually if you
Yes.
present the paper in some conference by documenting your work, that will be a good outcome of your project.
Correct. Students, these points are very important. Are you listening? Okay, now within evening I will put a Google Form to you. Google Form link I will send you. Please fill up all the details in that Google Form. Coming next, always the mini project lab will be there in Tuesday. That is, I think in Tuesday it's a morning timetable. Just I will see once. Tuesday, yes, Tuesday morning 9:30. Every week mini project lab will be there. This just we have taken. So every Tuesday. Now coming Tuesday, we are going to tell that when you have to submit the synopsis. Within Tuesday, if you doesn't give a project title and names, everything means within Monday like that, I have to finalize. That is very much important. So if you're not given like that, we don't consider your project and all. And no mini project marks will be given. I'm very strict in this particular concept. Please, plenty of projects are there in the internet. I'm not telling you to do from scratch that everything you take, you prepare a sensor like that. I'm not telling you. Projects in agriculture, IoT projects in socio-environmental status. If you give 100 students, 100, 200 of projects are there. Select one best project with video, YouTube videos, everything is there. How to give a connection, everything is there. So why you are worried? So definitely, I think you can do your project, and I have told which tools also you can use. Blink you can use to connect to the Firebase cloud. That I told very clearly. Just 5 lines code from Blink. It's very easy to connect. and automatically this means link will allow you to connect to the hardware also to your mobile, and automatically you can create app. So like that, many today, many this one MIT lab to inventory. So that is to create a small apps. Creating apps, it's not a major issue now. So like this, you have to dig. That is very much important. You have to dig and you have to take out it. And you have to adapt that technologies according to your problem, and you must be able to. But your solution must be optimal. So that is very much. If you want any sensors like that, any doubt is there, where to purchase and on Amazon, that is where n number of sensors, just to define name, almost all sensor lists are there, including roads, everything you will get. No need to go to any shops also. I got in online, now it's there with me. Arduino also. Like that, many of the things you can take. Okay. So any doubt is there, please ask now itself. Any doubt? Any doubt?
Hello.
Students.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir.
Ask. Who is that name?
Sir, Sarfaraz.
Sarfaraz. Bolo Sarfaraz.
Yes, sir. I just asking, sir, when you will send us the Google form, so we both the team member has to respond that Google form, or only one member should respond the Google form?
One member should respond. Means you discuss, both of you, you discuss, one member should respond, that's it.
Okay, sir.
This doubt is very important. Only one student in a team should respond. That's good. Good question. You discuss both of you through phone like that. Once decided, any one of you can fill up the Google form and you can set. Next. Any doubt? Any doubt is there?
And students, why we are asking you to publish your work is, see, during this time, recruiters are actually not recruiting many of the students, right? They are only showing interest to recruit experienced people. So in that case, if you can stand apart by showing some exceptional work you have done during your academics, then they'll be interested. Your resume always will be given a weightage in that case. That is why we are suggesting you to take up some extra activities in order to stand apart from your peers.
And I have told you very clearly that what is the next future with IoT, data science and all. So students, take it seriously. It's an add-on to your resume. Definitely it's an add-on to your resume. Okay, I think any other doubts is there, you can ask. Otherwise, we'll start with next Tuesday. Within Monday, I should get everyone's project details with the technology. Okay, please fill up and send it today only. Today or within tomorrow it will come. It will be easy for me to make that list and all, manipulate that and all. I need some time for even in a Monday. So because of that, I'm telling you.
And we both will be available to discuss before deciding on the title.
Yes.
Okay, you can personally message us to discuss anything regarding the title or the problem statement.
Message, call, whenever you will free, not a things. Okay, pa? Thank you very much, dear students. Thank you very much. Okay, all the best. You do a good project. It should become an add-on to your resume. That is our intention. Nothing more is there here. Okay, please. Okay, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay, students, see you in Tuesday lab.